Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is like Limca Coconut Lake actually Ocean Mocktail. How to make the Limca Coconut Ocean Mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass and add some ice cream into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze on fresh lemon into the shaker glass. After that, you have to add some lime juice or lime syrup. Then you have to add some coconut syrup. Okay, after that you have to take all the ingredients properly. Then take a tall glass and pour all the ingredients into the. Then simply you have to fill the glass with Limca. This is very refreshment mocktail you can try. Okay. After that you have to add some blue cocoa on the top of the mocktail. See how the fancy color came. Then just serve with straw and you have to add some more. How the very fancy color came. Then you can garnish with some orange slices and you can decorate with some umbrella and add some mint leaf. So you have to decorate the mocktail. See how the fancy color mocktail. This is that like a Limca coconut ocean mocktail. See very fancy color refreshment mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video and please like and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching.